Hello, I'm Nanobot567. Today I'm going to show you around CS-16 and show off all its features. First is the pattern screen. Here you can place notes down in the sequencer and edit them, like so. You can change parameters such as pitch, length, and velocity. You can also swap between each of the 16 tracks. At the very bottom is your step number, track name, and auto note status in that order. Auto note is a feature that I added to make placing notes at intervals less tedious. Next up is the track screen. In this screen, you can modify each track's instrument. You can also mute and unmute your tracks from here. I'm going to edit this first signed track. This is the instrument editor. I'm going to explain each of these modules from left to right, starting with the wave module. By twisting this knob, you edit the selected instrument's waveform. Options include the traditional sine, square, sawtooth, and triangle waves, and the waveforms provided by Teenage Engineering, PO phase, digital, and VOSIM. After this module is the ADSR envelope module. Each of these knobs changes the attack, decay, sustain, and release of the instrument. The legato module changes if the instrument should seamlessly swap from one pitch to another. Here's the sample module, which gives you access to CS-16's sampling capabilities. In this list, you can either record a sample using the microphone, or select one that you've imported from your computer. I'm going to select a preloaded sample. If you want, you can also trim your sample through this Edit Sample option. Alright, next is the preview module, which is pretty self-explanatory. It just plays your instrument. The parameter module changes some aspect of the sound if the waveform supports it. Parameter 1 changes the duty of a square wave, so I'll go ahead and change that for track 2. The shift module transposes your instrument up or down. And finally, the volume module changes the volume. Here's the last main screen, the song screen. Displayed is the song and author names, max step count, and tempo. In the Playdate OS menu, there are options for saving and loading songs, and editing your settings. Here are all the settings you can change. And that's it for this feature walkthrough. Thanks for watching.